Okay, so topic 2, the muscular system. In this topic you will find in the resources section some handouts on the sliding filament theory. You'll also find some useful websites to access when looking at the muscular system, and you will also have access to some presentations which tell you a little bit about how exercise affects different types of muscle. Remember, you've got these three types: type 1, type 2 and type 2B muscles, and they are commonly associated with endurance and power-based work. So how does exercise affect those things? So you'll find presentations, you'll find some fact sheets, you'll also find some videos which discuss and detail the sliding filament theory, so those should help you, and also the structure of muscle. So keep an eye out for those. Now, part of this topic is finding out about origins and insertions of different muscles in the human body. Now, we're taking a step up now to level 3, which means that the muscles that we're looking at are more complex than the ones that you've looked at level 2. So it might help you to do a little bit of background reading just to familiarise yourself again with some of the muscles we looked at level 2, just to re-jog your memory. Now, there is a presentation which does outline the origins and the insertions of a range of different muscles, but try not to look at that until you've actually done the research yourself. So that will help you in terms of where these attachments are. Now, you're going to need to know what origins and insertions mean. So what you'll see now is a brief definition of origins and insertions of muscles. Now, once you're familiar with origins and insertions, that should help you identify where they are in the body. If we take the bicep, for example, the origin is the point at which the muscle is attached to bone at the closest part to the body, and that's often called the proximal end. The insertion is at the other end of the muscle, which is attached to that bone, and that's at the distal end. So we have origin close to the body, insertion away from the body, and that's usually how you can tell the difference. Now, there are two really good websites which will help you research not only the muscles but also the origins and insertions, and they are www.getbodysmart.com, that's getbodysmart.com, and also www.theinnerbody.com. Now, those two websites are very interactive. They'll allow you to highlight on certain muscles and figure out where the origins and insertions are. So really do have a look at those websites, because they will help you, and they're also a very good resource further on in your personal training qualification as well. As always, if you have any questions, if you're unsure, if you're stuck, then you have the forum to be able to write questions so that other students can see those questions and hopefully help answer those as well.